Hi guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. I'm Missy and today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade fabric softener. This fabric softener only has 3 ingredients: white vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. You don't even have to put the 3rd one in if you don't want to, but we do. First thing you're going to add is 1 cup of baking soda. Make sure you're mixing this in a bowl because it will bubble up. Then we're going to add 3 cups of white vinegar. I'm going to slowly add this so hopefully it doesn't bubble over. So that's 1. The vinegar deodorizes and the baking soda both deodorize. The essential oils are for whatever fragrance that you like to smell in your laundry. We do lemon just because it makes it a little bit easier. We use that sometimes for our laundry detergent and for the fabric softener. It's our 3rd cup. And it's going to bubble up, so don't worry about it though. That's why you're doing it in a bowl, and you just do it kind of slowly so that you don't, so don't go over the top. Now we're going to add 15 drops of an essential oil, whatever you like. I think that's like 4. So, as best you can get it, 15 drops. I think mine was more like 18. It smells so clean and fresh and lemony. Now to store this, you can either put it in one of your old fabric softener bottles, or if you happen to can, I just store mine in a quart jar. I saved my old rings from where we've opened up canned food, and I just use those. No need to use a new one. We're not trying to seal it. Let me grab the funnel. I'll be right back. Just put our funnel in there. The nice thing about this is you don't have all that extra stuff that you get in the fabric softeners in the grocery store. You know exactly what's in this. Some of the baking soda will not dissolve up, so right before you use it, make sure you shake the jar up so that it's all mixed up well. There you have it. We put approximately 1/4 to 1/2 cup in the wash rinse cycle, and that's what we use. You may want use a little bit more, a little bit less. It costs approximately, I think the baking soda is like 79 cents to $1 a box. The vinegar is like $2.79 for the gallon, and the essential oils I think are like $4 maybe, but you can make multiple batches out of it. So I think we averaged out this particular recipe ends up being about 50 cents a jar. So that's pretty darn good compared to what you're paying for fabric softeners in the grocery store, especially knowing what's in it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you join us in the next ones coming up. I'm Missy, and thanks for joining us here at the Frugal Homestead.